Just give it a little burst. There's a way to go. Just give it a little burst.
Yeah, it's going now.
Yeah, get back here. Motor's going on forward. Radio stop.
So you created havoc this morning, Kermit?
Yeah, seems that way.
Sounding very well. Geez, I might actually have a bit of competition here now that Kermit's not sailing the job.
Well, I don't think so because I'm going terribly at the moment. I've got no breeze.
Is that a boom?
No, we've got to go up and back down.
Well, I'm going to keep the camera on the best boat.
The pink boats are at home. Oh, pink bits.
Gold ground, gold ground.
It must be blown before, right?
Decision. Huge decision.
Yes.
That'd be the biggest deciding to sell your daughter's horse.
That would be more exciting.
Would there be an eruption?
I don't know.
But who would erupt first?
Like I'd rather slash the paddocks and now money I'm spending this damn horse. Well, how many acres have you got? 5. Yeah, we've got about 7 where we are, but it's just damn dry at the moment.
Oh, mine's like the Gobi Desert. Not that I've been to the Gobi Desert.
Yeah.
I mean, but after all, I've not had my 95 on the water for sale. I sailed the duck.
I've got 295. This is the only one I sail on salt water. Oh, this could be a boom here.
Well, I think deservedly so.
Yeah.
I don't think so, actually.
Oh, look at that. Boom.
What?
Yeah, who's the winner?
You're kidding me.
Winner by a long way.
No, shush.
Half a length.
Half a length of the canal.
I know I had some bit of bad luck at the start of that last Tuesday.
But you got in the water.
You turned up.
Oh, someone yelled out restart, and all the other boats were white. I got stuck in irons, and someone yelled out restart. And I thought, oh yeah, they're going to restart the whole damn race again. I just sort of sat there. Then I found out that they were still going, so I don't know what was going on. But towards the end, I was going a lot better.
Boom.
Ah,
Kermit wins. Yay!
Kermit rules.
Oh, stuff the rules.
yeah, we.